Hi, kindergartners. Last time we talked about making the number 10. Well, this time we're going to talk about all the different ways that you're able to make the number 6, okay? So, as you know, if you had 6 items, let's say these cubes, it could look like this where they're all exactly the same. So, let's count and make sure I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 that are purple and 0, none, that are brown. All right, what if I decided that I do want some that are brown? So I'm willing to give up 1 and replace it with a brown one. There. I've traded it so that I'll still have 6. Alrighty. So let me look at this. I now have 6 still, but this time I have 1 that's brown and the rest are purple. So I have 1 that's brown. Let me write it up here so I don't forget. Plus, I also have the purple ones. How many purple ones do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means that the number 1 and 5 will make 6. I still have 6. Okay, so these are ways of making 6. Alrighty, so let me take off the brown and another purple. This time, I have 4 purple ones. Okay? 4 purple cubes. How many brown ones do I need to make 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I add 1 more, it makes 5. That's not enough. So I keep going. And now I've made 6. How many brown ones did it take? That's right, 2. That means that 2 and 4 will also still make 6. Great. I'm now going to have only 3 purple ones. So I have 3 purple ones plus I'm going to keep adding some on until I get 6. So there's 3. 1 more is only 4. 1 more would make 5. And 1 more gets me to the 6 that we're talking about. There. I've made 6 again. How did I make 6 this time? That's right. Half of them are purple, half are brown. That's 3 and 3. 3 and 3 also makes 6. And it doesn't matter if the brown is on this side or on that side. It still makes 6. So if you look at this first one, 1 brown one and 5 purple ones, I could make it the other way. With 5 brown ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 purple one. It still makes 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And it doesn't matter if I do it this way or if I flip it around that way. Because 5 and 1 is the same as 1 and 5. That just makes 6. And it's the same thing here with 2 and 4. Watch. Now I want 2 purple ones. There we go. 2 and 4. This time I've made the brown ones the bigger number. What happens if I flip it this way? 4 and 2. Guess what? 4 and 2 and 2 and 4 both make 6. So it doesn't matter what order I put it in. So, wonder if I could squeeze it in right here. Hope it won't confuse you. 4 and 2. Because these are the same thing, right? And all together, it still makes 6. So it doesn't matter if I put it this way or if I flip it that way. Alrighty. And the last one was 3 and 3, which is half and half. Does it matter which direction I'm holding it? If the purple is first? No, it doesn't matter. If mommy gives you 3 pieces of candy, well, let's do this one. If mom gives you 2 pieces of candy and your daddy gives you 4 pieces of candy, you're going to have 6. And it doesn't matter if daddy gave you the candy first or if mommy gave her the 2 candies first. It doesn't matter which candy you got first. In the end, they all go in your pocket and you're going to have 6. Okay? So that's just the idea of how to make 6. Alrighty. Next on the list is we're going to take out our math page. You might have to pause the video so you can find the page. This came out of your Succeed book. I will need the parents' help to find out what the page number is. So you definitely have to pause the video now so that everybody can have the page number. This comes out of the Eureka book, Module 3, Lesson 32. Lesson 32, Module 3. Go ahead and find that. And please share with the class the page number if you have it. Okay? I'm going to assume that you paused the video and that you started it again because you're ready to go. On this paper, Lesson 32 of Module 3, I know we skipped a lesson. We have 6 dots on each of these cards, and we want to make 6 in different ways. Up here, you will see an example. They used 2 and 4 to make 6. They've circled the first 4, and it left the other 2. So down here, we're going to do the same exact thing, only let's not do 2 and 4 this time. Let's try and do something else. Do you see it? I see 3 and another 3. Great. I know that 3 and 3 is 6. Perfect. No problem there. Let's look at the next one. Alrighty. What's another way that we can make 6? Well, we could make 6 if I look over here. We just did the 3 and 3. 3 and 3 was the one we did here. Maybe we could do one of these other ones. You want to do this one? Let's try that one. 1. Don't know if you can see my orange there. 1. And then the rest of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5 make 6. 1 and 5 is 6. Pretty neat, isn't it? Alrighty then. There's another way to make 6. They kind of did it up here. But if you look, I could do 5 and 1 this time, or I could try one of these other ones. The one on top did 2 and 4. Why don't we do the 4 and 2? Flip it around and see if it still makes 6. Alrighty then. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 4. And what's left? These two. 4 and 2. Anybody remember the number we're making? All together, 4 and 2 is 6. If you don't believe me, you can just go back and count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So in every box, there's 6 dots. We're just breaking them up in different ways. Alrighty, so it looks like we've done 1 and 5, 4 and 2, 3 and 3. There's no other way of doing it except one that I could think of, which could be all of them, all 6, and 0. Remember, 0 means nothing, right? So if all of them are in that group, then none are out of the group. And that would make 6. Very good then. Alrighty. So on the back, there's some directions at the bottom of the page. You're going to make your own 6 dots. You're going to circle some dots and then say blank and blank is blank. So let me show you what I mean. Yours can look different. Maybe you could do 2 of them. One that's copied from me and one that you do all by yourself. Here we go. So here are my 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. How do you guys want to break this one? Well, there aren't that many ways. Okay? Don't think we did. We did 1 and 5. How about 5 and 1 this time? I want to do 5 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. There it is. 5 and, there's that word and that we learned. 5 and, what's left there? 1. 5 and 1 more is the same as 6 altogether. Alrighty. Now you can go off and try to make one all by yourself at the bottom. Don't forget to turn in your work. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.